Dr. Kevin, the Hammer Doc. All right, I had a note. This note here. That was the key back here. That was right. This key. Pull it back here. That key. The hole that holds that key in place got stripped. All right, here. This one right here. So I could not use the original screw that goes in there. This screw here. I could not use that because it was now too small for the hole. So I was able to find another screw in my box of screws here. After some looking and some praying, I had to pray today, and found this screw here, and I put a washer on it and set it on there, and now it's setting perfect. I was able to screw it down tightly, and now that key doesn't move. It's in place. It doesn't wiggle. It's sitting where it's supposed to sit. It's doing what it's supposed to do. And so all is well with that. This is a A100 organ. This is my organ. And I guess in straightening up the keys on there after installing the upstop and downstop felts, I had one key that was just tough to get on straight, and evidently I must have when I went to put the screw back in, I must have put it in crooked. Instead of putting it in straight, I must have done it to the side or something like that. And then I backed off of it and tried to put it back in the hole. And when I put it back in the hole had widened. So, and I was very careful. I was extremely careful. Because I did several of these. I had several keys that I had to straighten up on this organ, on this manual, this bottom manual. And so I was very careful, very cautious, moved slowly. But on that particular key, I messed up, and it cost me. So I had to find a substitute screw to go in there, and but it's working perfectly. And I like things to be perfect, but sometimes I may not be perfect. Sometimes I'm not perfect. So, and then I have to correct my mistakes. All right. So that's the way it is. But thank God for the ability to correct mistakes, and for having additional screws here to choose from, to make projects work the way that they need to work. All right. So that's enough for this video. Until the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammer Doc, working on this Hammond A100 organ, having a good time too. Peace out.